Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. As you all know that we are doing the chapter number 11, tables and shares, in which we are first discussing the concept of multiplication.
Yes, ma'am.
Before discussing every day, we are doing the revision of tables also. So yesterday we have done 12 and 13, then we have done 14 and 15. Now we have to do
16 and 17.
table of 16 and 17. Take out your revision notebook, students. Please write the tables, because in your syllabus in grade 4 till 20 tables you have to learn thoroughly. You have to learn the tables thoroughly till 20. I will ask any table in the form of dodging from any child. Krishav, turn on your camera. Moksh, turn on your camera, please. Okay, so write it in your notebooks now. Table of 16 and 17. Write the heading in your revision notebook. Table of 16 and 17. So 16 ones are
16,
16 twos are
32,
32. Very good. Only Momin is giving me the answer. 16 threes are
48,
48. 16 fours are
64,
64.
64.
16 fives are
80,
16 5
80. 16 sixes are
96.
Good
morning, ma'am.
good morning.
96,
16 sevens are
112,
122.
112. 16 eights are
128, 128,
128.
9, 144,
16 nines are
144,
16 tens are
160, 160.
please write this in your notebooks, everyone. Lakshay, Adola, are you learning tables? First, you have to learn till 10 and then you go to the other numbers. Please learn thoroughly. I will ask any time. Give some time at home to the tables also.
Done, ma'am.
Vihan Vyas, after the reminder only you have to join the class, beta. Every day I have to put your name in the classroom. रोज याद दिलाने की जरूरत पड़ती है कि मैथ्स की क्लास ज्वाइन करो. Please talk to me. Turn on your camera. Mic, sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Every day I have to remind you that you have to come in the class. Tell me yes or no.
No, ma'am.
Take a note. If you want every day I have to put your name in the classroom, then see, everyone is watching your name that it is coming in the classroom. All teachers, sir, everyone. So please, students, come in the class every day. Viha and Arav Apani, yes, turn on your camera, Arav, Viha. Write this table, then we move to the table of 17. I am taking the attendance, tell your present. Arav Apani,
Present, ma'am.
Arush Miani,
Present, ma'am.
Arth Gujarati, Asta Gujarati and Arth Gujarati.
Present, ma'am.
Absence.
Both are present, Asta and Arth.
Yes, ma'am.
Dheer, Dheer Kinsara,
Present, ma'am.
Dwani, Diva,
Present.
Present, ma'am.
Hare,
Present, ma'am.
Harsh Keshwani,
Present, ma'am.
Hiya, not there. Jignesh, Jignesh, Trishav, Lakshadola,
Present, ma'am.
Mohammed Momin,
Present, ma'am.
Moin Kuledi.
Ma'am, he is left.
Okay, Moksh Patel,
Present, ma'am.
Pragyan, Pragyan, Pritika, Maximum 2 times I will call your name. Then absent will be marked. Shivangini.
Ma'am, present.
Shivani.
Present.
Vedi.
Present, ma'am.
Viha.
Present, ma'am.
Vihan Vyas.
Present, ma'am.
Completed the table of 16, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we move to the table of 17 now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Please, along with it, learn every day at home also.
Ma'am, now there is table of 1.
Let's see. In the table of 17.
Oh, you have very six.
Ah.
There is a
Please now give me the answers. 17 ones.
17.
17 twos.
30,
17 threes.
50,
17 fours.
68,
17 fives.
85,
17 six.
102,
102. 17 sevens.
119,
119. 17 eights.
136,
1
36,
36. 17 nines.
153,
153. 17 tens.
170,
Please write it in your notebooks and be ready tomorrow for table of 18 and 19.
Done, ma'am.
Tomorrow you don't have class. Day after tomorrow on Friday. Can I raise? Do it. Give you 1 minute time and please complete this.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Can I raise?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, may I drink water, Anish?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, now what we will write in the maths notebook?
Now we will do the revision of the 3-digit and the 3-digit. Then we move to the 4-digit with the 3-digit.
Ma'am, revision and revision notebook.
This is done. Yeah, continue now in the revision notebook. Can I raise Earth? I can see Earth is still doing and Vihan Vyas is still doing. Can I raise Vihan Vyas and Earth Gujarati?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Now, as you know, yesterday we have done the 3-digit multiplicand and the 3-digit multiplier. 5 more sums extra we will do to check whether you understood the 3-digit multiplication with the 3-digit. So I will ask the sums from you all. You have to give me the sums and we will solve 5 sums. Practice we will do in the notebook. Continue in the revision notebook because it's a revision. The topic is already covered yesterday in the class. So do it in the revision notebook. 3-digit multiplicand and 3-digit multiplier. Yes, Asta, give me any one sum.
Ma'am, we have to write this in.
Don't raise your hand, Aravapani. I will give you chance to speak.
Ma'am,
Yes,
this
Asta.
to write in our maths notebook.
It's written revision notebook. Yes, Asta.
215 multiply 120.
So what we will do, Asta, you have to give me the answer only.
Okay, ma'am. First, we will apply 0 to 5 and come
So,
only
what will come?
0.
Then
0 to 1 come with 0 only.
Then
Again 0.
Okay. Now what we will do?
We will
Children,
down
along with me. Please do it in your notebooks also. What
ma'am
will come here?
1-0.
Okay. Then
And we will carry one upper one
one
and
where? One will go carry forward or carry.
one will up
One will up on which number?
on one only.
Yes. And here will come 0. Now what will be the next?
And 3.
Then what will be the next?
4.
What will be the next?
2-0.
In the next line, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What will be the next?
5.
Hmm.
2. No,
You're
ma'am.
getting
One,
mistaken.
one,
Yes.
one.
Next.
And after then 2.
Yes. What will be the next step now?
Time addition.
Hmm.
0, 0, 8, 5, 5, and 2. Same.
Ma'am, the answer is
Ma'am, can I give?
2,58,800.
2 lakh? Where is 2 lakh?
Ma'am, 25,800.
5,800.
25,800, not 2 lakh. Multiplicand. Write with each sum. Yes. Each sum, multiplicand, multiplier, and the product.
I can use
Ma'am, now can I give you?
No, Laksha Dola will give me. Where is Laksha? Give me one sum. Can I erase this?
No,
Can I
ma'am.
erase this? Please
No,
do it
ma'am.
fast. Laksha, you give me one sum. I'm writing here the second sum.
1,
1,
5,
5. आप एक
0.
साथ बोल दो ना 150, 154, 170. You can give the full number, no? 150. Multiply by which number?
Multiply by
इतनी देर नहीं लगती है सोचने में लक्ष्य. जब नंबर्स देने में इतनी देर लग रही है तो सॉल्व करने में कितनी देर लगेगी? 150. Give me any another 3-digit number.
154.
154. And Lakshay, you only have to multiply now. Can tell me what will be the first step?
First is 0.
0. Then
Then
Lakshya, fast. 4 zeros are 0. 4 now multiply by which number?
5.
What will be the answer? 4 5s are what?
4 5s are 20.
20. So 20 पूरा यहाँ पे लिख दूं?
No, ma'am.
So where the 2 will come and where the 0 will go?
2, 1 up.
2 will
One
be up. Yes, and 0 will be here. Now we multiply which numbers? Ayush,
Five.
mute yourself. 4
Five.
ones are.
4 1s are 4.
And then 2 will be added. 6. What will come here now?
Here 0.
0. Now which number will be multiplied? 5 with the 0.
5 with the 0 0.
What 0? Now 5 5s are.
5 5s are
What is 5 Faiza? Shivani, put yourself.
Ma'am,
you forgot to cut 2.
No, I have not. Maybe continue work. It will work.
ma'am,
That's the reason.
25.
25. So 2 will be here up to the 1 and the 5 will come here. Now 5 ones are
5 ones are 5.
plus 2,
Plus 2, 7.
7. Pragyan, you have joined late. Can I mark absent? Pragyan and Mohin Kuledi, where were you? Both of you.
In my house, my internet issue was there.
So now permanently internet issue absent will be marked. Yes, Pragyan.
No, first I have joined, then I left.
Pragyan, you tell me what is the reason? What is the reason of 16 or 15 minutes late in the class? I have already marked your absent. Pragyan, give me answer.
Ma'am, relatives has come in my house.
So relatives have come means you will not study. Relatives have told you to not to study beta today. आज छुट्टी ले लो. ऐसा हुआ? Then आप ज्यादा बिजी हो गए बात करने में, right? No problem. Stay in the class. Learn, but your absent is marked already. 1 0 is a 0, 1 5 is a 5, 1 1 is a. Now we will multiply with the 1 Lakshya, right? So how many zeros will come?
2.
Yes. And 1 5 0 is a 0.
1 0 is a 0.
1 5 is a
1 5 is a 5.
and 1 1 is a.
1 1 is a 1.
Please add this and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, I can tell. Ma'am, I can give. Ma'am, I can give.
No, he only will give me. Why other student will give? I will check each and every child whether they understood the concept or no.
Ma'am, you said Dheer.
No, no. Lakshya will only give. Lakshya, give me fast. लक्ष्य इतनी देर ऐड करने में विच इज वेरी इजी 0 0 को ही खाली ऐड करना है 0 0 6 plus 5
0. 6 plus 5. 11.
11 1 will be here 1 will go up what will be the answer next 5 plus 7 plus 1
5 plus 7 plus 1. 8. 5 plus 7 plus 1.
7 plus 1 is 8 8 plus 5 is
17 plus 5 is 8 plus 5. 1 300. 1 300.
1 300
No, 2 5. 2 5.
13
13.
1 plus 1 is 2 लक्ष्य you need to be very quick बहुत fast होना है simple है ये and just remove the fear from yourself डर निकालो अपना
Next number I can give.
no if the child will say I can give I will not give a chance to that child Vihan Vyas will give me I will catch to those students those who are less active in the class yes Vihan Vyas give me the third
100.
105 multiply by
101.
थोड़ा बिग नंबर्स और बड़ी टेबल्स दो 101 से करोगे तो 1 और 0 की टेबल में खत्म हो जाएगा सम 268 give me now 8 5
8 5 40.
40 Viha turn on your camera and sit 8 zeros
0
plus 4 8 ones
8
8 what will be the next now
0
6 5
6 5 30.
I will remove this carry over and write 3 here and the 0 here 6 zeros
0 plus 3 3.
6 ones
6.
what will come now
0
How many?
2 5s are
How many zeros will come here?
1.
Two zeros will come because now you are multiplying with 200. You have not attended the yesterday's class. That is the reason you are facing the problem. This is exactly 268. So now you are going to multiply with 200. So 200 की दो zeros आएंगी. Now you multiply with 2. 2
2
5s are
5s are 10.
1 will be here, 0 will be here. 2 zeros are
0 plus 1 1.
2 ones are.
2.
What will be the answer? Add.
0 plus 4. Love 0 4.
Next.
2 plus 3 11.
Next.
6 plus 1 7 8.
Next. 2. What will be the answer? How you are going to read this number, Vihan Vyas?
800 and 800
It is
8140.
28140, not 8000. ये 2 कहाँ गया आपका? My board is not visible to you?
No, ma'am.
Just check now.
Okay.
28140.
28,140.
Yes. 28,140. Fourth sum. Diva will give me. Where is Diva? Diva, give me fourth sum.
105.
No, give me some another number. Big numbers. 776. Multiply by 549. Chalo, मैंने दे दिया. Now multiply it. Because I know you children will use one table or two table and that will be too simple. Multiply Diva. 9 6 ja. Diva multiply 9 6 ja. 9 की टेबल में दीवा अटक गई और हम 18 की टेबल पे पहुंच रहे हैं कल.
54.
54. 9 7 जा.
9 7 are 63.
Plus 5.
68.
Excuse me, ma'am.
6 will be here, 8 will be here. Yes.
Ma'am, may I drink water?
Yes, please. Now 9 7s again because 9 7s
63.
plus 6
64. 66.
plus 6. 63 plus 6.
68.
68. Children, this is the sum number. Don't think this is a digit.
Ma'am, 60. Ma'am,
Sorry.
9.
63 plus 6, 69. What will come in the next step, Diva?
0.
0. And which number will multiply by which number? I will remove the carryovers because I need to put the carryovers of the next number. Which number will multiply now, Diva?
4 6 are
What will be the answer?
24.
2 will be here and the 4 will be here. Now which numbers will multiply?
4 7 are
What is the answer? Tell me. 4 7 का क्या होता है? दीवा
36.
36. फिर 4 9 का क्या होगा? If 4 7 is 36. दीवा ग्रेड 2 में मैं लर्न करने भेजूंगी टेबल्स आपको लक्ष्य को इफ यू नॉट पे अटेंशन इन द क्लास. What is 4 7 जा? 4 sevens is 28. Learn tables. I'm again and again telling learn tables. 4 sevens are 28 plus 2.
30.
30. Again 4 sevens are
28.
plus 3.
29. 31.
What will be the next step now?
20.
Which number will multiply by which number? I will remove these carryovers.
5 6 are 30.
Now,
5 7 are 35.
then
36, 37, 38.
yes. Then
Again 38.
again 38. 4, 12, 10, 6, 7, 8, 8 or 8, 16, 12, 4. Just check the answer, students.
Ma'am, when we will start 4-digit?
We will start. We will start. What is this? The way we are doing 2 days, no? This also. We will do the same also 2 days. This is clear. What is the answer is clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Diva, read the answer. What is the answer? Because I know many of you are not clear with the place values. What is the answer?
Ma'am, may I read?
Dhwani, sorry, Diva, it is what? 426024 को आप कैसे पढ़ोगी?
Ma'am,
It is 42,000. Diva. Then
Can I see?
ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. It is 4 lakh.
4,26,024.
Yes. Can I go to the next now?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now take out your maths. It's okay. Now we have done 4 sums in this. We will move to the 4-digit number now. Take out your maths classwork notebook, everyone. Close this notebook. Everyone completed, I hope, because I erased.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone completed. Is there any child who was still writing?
No, ma'am. I was writing the last one.
Who, Pritika? Not
Yes.
completed yet?
No.
It was, I think, 779. Shivangani, what was the digit? 779?
776 multiply 549.
776 multiply 549.
549.
Pritika, you can write the digits and complete it.
Ma'am, maybe in this, first, in the second line, 10 will come. In the third line, 2 zeros will come. And the last line, when
One line में तो जीरो आएगा ही नहीं ना. फर्स्ट लाइन में तो जीरो आता ही नहीं है.
no, ma'am, in second line, I say.
हाँ, सेकंड से 4 zeros.
And the last
Third में 2 and the last में 3 zeros.
3 zeros.
Now we are going to multiply, right? 4 digit by 3 digit. And you can write multiplication. Multiplication of a 4 digit by a 3 digit number. I'm not writing the way you have written previously. You can write it in that way. Yes, Pritika, what happened?
I can give the heading here and write down.
You have enough space?
Yes.
Just a minute. Let me. Here, turn on your camera. Here, turn on your camera, please. Here, turn on. Acha, beta. Yesterday also you have a network issue. Today also maybe you have a network issue, right? है ना? I'm talking to you here. Please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Today also network issue same.
Ma'am, I have network issue. And all this.
30 minutes का पूरा network issue होता है आपकी क्लास में.
Ma'am, but I was trying to join class.
You stay in the class. I will talk to your mother. Stay in the class.
But my mother is doing work.
But she has to come for 1 minute to talk to me. Inform her. I'm giving her a time. After 5 minutes, I'm going to talk with her.
Ma'am,
Okay.
you wrote after my first you wrote 4 digit by 3 digit. No, so I wrote like you. So
It's
I
okay.
so I wrote it like that. Four
See,
digit
it's
by 3 digit.
okay. 4 digit by 3 digit. That you understood. No, what are we going to write? It's okay. Bunny.
No, ma'am. After that I wrote multiplication.
बाद में मल्टीप्लीकेशन लिखने का सेंस नहीं है. 4 digit by 3 digit multiplication. It's okay. That also right. Okay. Shivangini, give me any 4 digit number.
8,426.
Multiply by any three. Who will give me? Shivani, give me any 3 digit multiplicand.
Ma'am, 126.
Ma'am, can I say the answer? Ma'am, you said multi. Ma'am, the second. Can I say the answer?
Yes, Mohin Kuleti, please solve.
36.
6 6 are 36. Next.
6 2s are 12.
Hmm.
12 plus 15.
Next.
24.
6 4 are 24
25.
plus 1 25. Next.
16.
6
20.
8 are
6 8.
6 8 are because 6 4s are 24 plus 1 is done 25.
48.
6 8 are 48 plus 2
50.
50. Now what we will do in the next step?
0.
0. Then we multiply by which number and remove this carryovers? 2.
2 6 are 12.
12. 1 will be here and the 2 will be here. Then 2 2s are
4 5.
plus 1 5. Then next 2 4s are
8.
8.
2
Then next 2 8s are
16.
16. Now what will be the next step?
2 0.
What we will multiply now?
1 6 are
1
1.
6. 1 6 are 6.
1 2 are 2.
1 2s are 2. 1 4s
1
are
4 are 4.
1
8.
8s are
8.
plus and give me the answer.
6 7.
16 11. Am I right?
Yes.
5 plus 6 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16 8 9 10. Please check the answer, students.
Ma'am, 10,59,600.
59,000 or 61,000?
59,000.
Just check, please, students. Maybe you have done something.
Yes, ma'am. 10,59,000.
Let me do. Maybe
Ma'am, it's
I am
correct.
wrong.
No, ma'am, it's correct.
It was my mistake.
Correct.
Yes.
Ma'am, it was my mistake.
Ma'am, it's correct.
So please check your
Yes,
mistakes,
ma'am, this is
students.
correct.
Check your mistakes, students, and do it again. And please write multiplicand, multiplier, multiplicand, and the product with each sum. Do the next sum. One more sum.
Can I give?
Yes, Shivani will give me.
Ma'am, 4,823.
Children, I want to tell you one thing. When I will send you the worksheet based on today's concept, 4 digit with the 3 digit. So, my dear, please, if you don't have space in the worksheet, don't do the overwriting in the worksheet or untidy work in the worksheet. Solve all the sums in your maths notebook and attach your class notebook work. Am I clear to you all?
Yes.
वर्कशीट में नहीं करना है क्योंकि वर्कशीट में इनफ स्पेस नहीं होता है. So you please do all the sums in your notebook neatly and attach your class notebook work. Am I clear? Move to the next sum. 4823 and what will be the multiplicand?
Ma'am, Multiply by 134.
Ma'am, I can give the answer.
Yeah, let Pritika give the answer. Also participate something. Yes, Pritika. 4
Four.
3s are
4 3s are 12.
12.
4 2s are 8 and 1 9.
Hiya, please stay in the class. I want to talk to your mother. Please stay. 4 to the 8 plus 1 9. Next.
My class was cut now because my network issue was
Okay.
there again.
4 to the 8 plus 1 9. 4 8s are
32.
32. 4 8s are 32. 4 4s are
16, 17, 18, 19.
what will be the next now?
We will put 1 0. 3 3s are 9.
I will remove these carryovers because I need to put other. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 2s are.
3 2s are 6.
Then 3 8s are.
3 8s are 24.
Then 3 4s are.
12. 13, 14.
2 0. 1 3s are.
3 1
1
2.
2s are 2. 1 8s are 8. And 1 4s are 4. Please add it. I have to go little fast. 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 19 14 15 16 12 13 14. Is the answer correct? Just check. To other students, those who have not received the chance today, I will give you the chance in the next coming classes. And I want to check each and every students, they have understood the multiplication concept or not. Please do this. Is the answer correct, students? Those who have completed, they can leave the class. Those who are doing, they can do. Here, please call your mama. I want to talk.